In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!